Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, when or wherever you are. Hello, welcome back to another video and welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday and happy Mother's Day to all of you amazing moms out there. You know who you are. Anyway, it is currently almost 1:30 as I'm recording, and I am starting to go a little bit, if you know what I mean. Yesterday I started to film, but I wasn't doing anything, and today I'm gonna find something to do. I'm not sure what it is, but I'm gonna think of something. I don't want to just sit here and do nothing again today, because if I continue to do it, it's just gonna make me thrown off, and you know how it is. I said before, if I start feeling thrown off for too long, I start to get antsy, and we're gonna make sure that that does not happen. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna think of something, and I'm gonna take you along with me for that, regardless of what it is. But I would like to go outside and get some sunshine and some fresh air, because I did not go outside yesterday, and I heard it was very pretty, and I believe it's supposed to be really pretty today. So yeah. But anyway, thank you for tuning in. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's spend this day together, shall we? I took a shower, did something with my hair, and I literally just got done straightening up my room, so I guess we're off to a good start, but not as good as I wanted it, but this is as good as it's gonna get, you know what I mean? So let me show you a little bit of what I did, so I can prove to everyone that I did something. See, look, my room looks a little bit better, even though my nightstand is a little bit of a mess, but I could easily fix that. So, yeah, I'm gonna vacuum these rugs here in just a minute. And this chair do not get along. Ain't best friends at the moment, but this chair and this cord don't get along. But we're going to, I think so. Okay, I think I got it now. Huh? Y'all watched me struggle for a minute, and I do apologize, but you're probably laughing at me right now, which is okay. I would be laughing too. I have my air conditioner going because it did get a little bit warm in here. If it's a little bit noisy, that's what you're hearing. But anyway, I am sitting here editing the video, and that last clip of me vacuuming, I was struggling because the cord was tangled up with the legs of the computer chair that I have. And come to realize, I was talking to myself out loud, and I got all of that on video. And I'm a little bit embarrassed. Now, I do want to clarify, everybody talks to themselves, and it doesn't mean that I'm crazy, okay? So think before you judge, okay? You don't know me, and you don't have any room to speak, but I'm gonna have the comments turned off anyway, just like I do in the rest of my videos. Current time is almost 7 p.m. as I'm recording, We had tacos for supper, which they were so good, by the way. We had those Dorito taco shells. You know what I'm talking about? Anyway, they were really good. And I didn't even think to show you guys that, but you get the idea. And it's not like you've never seen tacos before anyway. And we have enough leftovers for supper tomorrow night, which is good. Anyway, the kitchen has been cleaned up, and now I am just in here watching some YouTube and just doing my own thing and enjoying some peace and quiet. You already know, guys. You can tell by the light flashing that I'm watching something on TV, just like in my previous video. Now, am I gonna catch him being cute again? Which, by the way, I have a cute little story, but I'll get into that in just a minute. Stay tuned. I mentioned that I had a cute story in that last clip, so I'm gonna share it now. This morning, when I woke up, I was scrolling through my phone and I came across this video of Marilyn Manson introducing his band to everyone and just going on about it. Well, when he introduced Reba Meyer, he went up to her and gave her a hug, and I was like, oh, that's so sweet. Now, FYI, it was just a hug, and maybe Manson and Reba are friends. So before you think otherwise, no. And I'm happy that he has a female guitarist in his band because she'll prove a point. He's not who Evan Rachel Wood says he is. And as much as I like Evan Rachel Wood, I still can't forgive her for how she did him. She did him completely dirty. You know what I mean? Anyways, there's that cute little story that I had to share with y'all, but that literally made my day. And do I feel jealous of Reba Meyer? Not really, but maybe that much. But at the same time, am I gonna have the opportunity to hug Manson? Probably, but never say never. Now, come to think of it, he was in Tacoma, Washington last summer. And if I would have known and had the money, I would have went up to Washington last year, not only to see him in concert, but to visit my mom as well. Because my mom told me earlier when I talked to her through FaceTime, because it is Mother's Day, she told me that she would have gladly taken me to see him, but love her for that. Anyways, there's that little ramble. I could sit here and ramble all night, but, you know. Anyway, yeah. Well, guys, I think that is going to be a wrap up for today's video. I hope you enjoy it. Give it a thumbs up if you do. Thank you for watching. And I think I'm just going to chill for the rest of the evening and probably start on the next video. We'll see. But anyway, I will see y'all next week, and stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't already. Peace out, everyone.